Welcome to LawGPT. Let's explore how to install the Azure Storage Explorer. This feature will allow you and other users to upload more than 5 gigabytes of data. From your customer portal, the Cases tab on the left should be pre-selected. Click on the name of the case file you wish to upload to. Click the Files tab on the left-hand side. Find and click the Add Documents button link near the bottom right of your screen. Select the Via Storage Explorer tab. Here, you will walk through the instructions provided. First, before completing the instructions, you'll need to install the Azure Storage Explorer. Find and click the link that reads Azure Storage Explorer. This will bring you to a Microsoft website where you will be prompted to download the software. Click Download Now following the instructions provided. This may take a few moments to install. Once the installation is complete, click Launch. You're all set. You have successfully installed the Azure Storage Explorer.